It's 10 a.m., you're still in bed. You've checked your phone 100 times, watched a bunch of videos, maybe even stared at the ceiling a few times. But you still haven't started what you need to do. You know you should get up. You know you should study, exercise, work, but something strange is holding you back. Your body feels heavy, your mind is blank, and willpower? Gone. Completely gone. Then you start blaming yourself, thinking, I'm lazy, I'm a failure, I'm never going to make it. But wait, is it really laziness? Or is there something deeper pulling you down from within? If you've made a decision to start 1,000 times but never followed through, this video is for you. Because today, we're going to dig into the root of laziness, and I'll show you how to break free from it. Why do you always feel lazy? 1. Your brain seeks comfort, not success. Your brain loves activities that require little energy and give quick rewards, like social media, games, or even doing nothing. That's why hard tasks like studying, exercising, or building a better future always get pushed aside. 2. Emotional and mental fatigue is your hidden enemy. When you're stressed, feel hopeless, or lack self-belief, your brain subconsciously says, stay in bed. The outside world isn't safe. And you think you're lazy, when in reality, you're fighting against a tired mind. 3. Lack of clear goals equals no motivation. If you don't know exactly why you need to do something, your brain sees no reason to spend energy. A goal works like a compass. Without it, you're just spinning in circles. How to overcome laziness? 1. Start small equals big victories. Instead of thinking you need to work out or study for an hour, say, I'll just start for 2 minutes. This trick bypasses your brain and helps you start, and once you begin, it's easier to keep going. 2. Create a winning routine. A routine is a set of actions you do without thinking. If you make a positive habit out of something simple, like making your bed, taking a cold shower, or reading for 5 minutes every morning, your sense of control and motivation will skyrocket. 3. Reward yourself after each progress. Even something simple like ticking off a checklist or having a favorite drink can train your brain to associate effort with good feelings. 4. Change your environment equals change your behavior. If you're stuck in bed and can't get started, move your work to a different place. More light, a bigger space, or even some calm music can activate your mind. Remember, laziness isn't a sign of failure. Laziness is just a message from your brain that something isn't right. And you have the ability to change it. With small steps, with self-awareness, and with belief in yourself. No one is strong from the start. The strong ones are those who push through the hard times, someone like you. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel, Daily Positivity. Leave a comment. I want to hear your voice, know your challenges, and help you. And if you're looking for more videos to overcome laziness, lack of motivation, and build a better life, we've got a special playlist just for you. Go check it out. Until the next video, stay strong, start now, and don't give up.